What's up, guys? It's your favorite attorney. So today, guys, we're going to talk about child custody. And again, please don't be upset with me, guys. Okay? I am only here to help you. Feel free to send me emails, give my office a call. I'm here to assist you with any, answering any little questions I can for you and things of that nature, okay? So these are just informative pieces. They're not literally advice because I don't know exactly what's going on in your case, but it's a little informational segments and pieces for us to be able to use and spin things around on, and just so we can gain a more in-depth knowledge of the law and their perspective from an attorney, from my perspective. One thing I want to talk to you guys about today is possession and access, which is visitation, possession and access, or visitation with your children. Now, guys, here in Texas, they've kind of changed things around a little bit. A lot of the times we feel as if men are not looked out for in the system, and they actually kind of are. A lot of states are moving to really, hone in on fathers' rights with respect to possession and access or visitation, and also with respect to custody. Okay, gone are the days where just because a woman's a woman, she gets to get the custody of the child. These courts are paying attention to what these parents can provide and how they're acting, and they're making very conscientious decisions that are diverting away from what we know and believe to be the norm. So I said that to say a lot of men are getting custody. And so what's happened is things have kind of moved towards an advancement between the parent-child relationship, between the child and the father, the children and the father. Meaning that the legislature here of this great state of Texas, because I'm here in Texas, but other legislatures as well have catered laws, curtailed around making it a lot easier for dads to gain additional possession and access outside of the every other weekend, okay? And so I have been really moving forward with getting a lot of gentlemen additional time with their children using these laws, okay? And there are new laws out. And so because the legislature wants there to be a close and continuing, that's what they call it, close and continuing relationship between children and their parents, namely the father, because it's been a history of fathers not being around. They want to make sure that men have as much possession and access as they can with their children. That's healthy. So there's something called an expanded SPO. And SPO means standard possession order. Again, that's SPO, standard possession order. Okay, so a little attorney lingo for you. Expanded SPO, expanded standard possession order, gives you more time. A lot of men have here in Texas, they'll have either Wednesday or Thursday from 6 to 8. And then and that's every week. And then they'll have every other week, first, third, and fifth weekend, beginning at 6 p.m., ending on the preceding Sunday at 6 p.m. Okay, that's a standard possession order, SPO. So what they've done is expanded this to now say not only are you going to get your children on either this Wednesday or Thursday, and it's namely a Thursday, mainly, on average, most of the time a Thursday. Back in the day, they used to do Wednesdays, but most of the orders now say Thursday. So the expanded SPO is going to say Thursday. But instead of having the children for 2 hours so that you can eat dinner with them, that was the theory and thought process behind it, that a father should be able to have dinner with his child at least once a week and see that child, be able to talk to that child, connect with that child, and not have to wait every other week to be close to that child so that the relationship is close and continuing. There's no gaps. Okay, so expanded possession order says instead of the 2 hours to eat dinner with the child, we're going to give you the whole night. You're going to pick that child up, and not only can you get that child at 6, you guys can elect to pick children up from school now. So if the children are elementary age and they go to daycare, you can pick them up from the daycare or the school. But it's at the time the school lets out, and when at the time that school resumes. So you'd be responsible for picking that child up. And of course, if the child's going to spend the night with you, you're going to take that child to school on Friday morning. Now, a lot of my clients, and I tell them, you've got to get your whole support system set up. The whole system's got to be set up. A lot of men are able to maneuver their calendars and or their time and manage it in and be able to take the children and pick them up. But some of you can't. So you got to have very good, strong people that can assist you, because you know you have the right here in Texas, at least you do, to allow anybody over the age of 18 that's sound mind and capability to get the children for you. Okay. And so you would get people to help you pick those children up from daycare and drop them off at daycare and or school in the morning. Okay. So now they're moving for every week for the child to spend the night, one night with the father. Okay. And then every other week, first, third, and fifth, is going to be that Thursday, because what? You already have the child on Thursday night. Remember, every week you have the child on Thursday. So you keep that child from Thursday all the way to Monday. So you drop the child back off at daycare or school on Monday, guys. So you would have this child from Thursday to Monday every other week, and every week from Thursday to Friday morning. That sounds great, right? So that's something that Texas has done and many other states have done. Some gentlemen are able to try to maneuver or try to file pleadings on their own. I don't necessarily suggest it, but you can get an attorney to assist you with that, and get your time, guys. It's almost pretty much darn near automatic, because the presumption is that you should be able to get that time. Okay, so all you have to do is move or request it, and many people, almost everybody gets it. Okay. You won't get it if there are other issues with you as a father that the mother can bring out, or there are issues that you have, okay, or you're already on supervision, something you have to work to that. But that is a new thing, okay, that's out there that dads have got to take advantage of. It gives you so much more time with the children. And it's really good on working with the relationship and fostering a very strong and healthy relationship with the father and the children. And ladies, some of you all do not have custody of your kids. Men are getting custody overwhelmingly. And so this is also an option for you to choose as well. You ladies can go and move for your expanded SPO. And that way you can see the children more. If the children reside with the dad, which are, it's happening a lot now. Okay. If you guys have any questions, feel free to email me about this. Ask me. Follow me on Instagram, she ya lawyer, she underscore ya YA underscore lawyer. And guys, email me again with any questions. I'm here for you. You guys have a fantastic day. Okay. Bye. Get your expanded SPOs, guys. Bye.